Chapter 12 homework 1, 2, and 9. All right, number 1 is long-term note payable. We want the issuance of the note and the first note payment. That's 12. On January 1st, 2018, Lakeman Frey signed a $1.5 million, 15 years, 7% note. The loan required Lakeman Frey to make annual payments on December 31st of $100,000 plus interest. So January 1st of 2018, they borrowed some cash, $1,500,000 to be exact, and they signed a note payable for it. Let me do my dollars and commas so I can make sure I'm typing in the right numbers. All right, and the first payment is on December 31st. All right, so we know we're going to pay a note payable. That's going to go down because we're making a payment on it. And they tell us right here it's $100,000 of principal. So that's the $100,000. All right, then we have interest expense, which we have to calculate. All right, the interest expense is the balance times the interest rate. So for us, it's the $1,500,000. We haven't made any payments yet. So it's $1,500,000 times the 7%, sorry. I put that in the wrong. It's supposed to be on the debit side. I think I typed in the wrong number. It's supposed to be $1,500,000. Sorry about that. There we go. That looks better. And the cash that they have to pay, so credit to cash, is the total of the two. $205. And they don't ask for it, but next year, at 12/31/2019, when they make the next payment, it's going to be the same basic entry. All right, this part's not going to change. All right, the $100,000 is also going to stay the same, but now it's going to be $1,400,000 because I paid $100,000 on it last time. $1,400,000 times the 7%, and my total payment's $198,000. And then next time it's going to be $1,300,000 times the 0.07, and so on and so forth. All right, 12/2. Ember Company purchased a building with a market value of $280,000 and land with a market value of $55,000 on January 1st of 2018. Ember Company paid $15,000 cash and signed a 25-year, 12% mortgage payable for the balance. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. Journalized the purchase on January 1st of 2018. All right, so we bought a building for $280,000, market value of $280,000, land with market value of $55,000. Both those are assets, so we're debiting. And then I need to credit cash. I put $15,000 down, and then I did the difference. So $280,000 plus $55,000 minus the $15,000. That is a mortgage payable. All right, first monthly payment was $3,370 on January 31st of 2018. Okay, so very similar to above. The journal entry is real similar. It's the mortgage payable, interest expense, and then cash. But in this case, it's the cash amount that I know. I know the cash already. It's $3,370. And then I got to split this between the mortgage payable and the interest. All right, so I have to calculate the interest first. The interest is going to be the balance times the interest rate, and then times 1/12 because I'm making monthly payments. So I started off with $320,000 times 12% times 1 divided by 12. It's 1 month. All right, and then the mortgage payable is the difference between these two. All right, so only 170 is going against the mortgage. And then next time, it's going to be 320 minus the 170 times the 0.01 to get the interest expense. Cash will stay the same. Only these two numbers will change each time. All right, that's it for number 2. Number 9. All right, so if you remember in Chapter 10, we made an investment in bonds. This time, we're the company that's issuing the bonds, and that's what number 9 is. All right, so number 9, McQueen Company issued $100,000 7.5% 10-year bond payable. Journalize the following transactions for McQueen Company and include an explanation for each entry. All right, so A. Issuance of the bonds at face value. So January 1st of 2018, we received cash, and we have a credit to bond payable. You know what? I'm moving this so it's the same as everything above. All right, and it was a $100,000 bond. All right, B, payment. Well, let's see, this was record issuance of bond payable. B, payment of semi-annual cash interest on July 1st of 2018. So I'm making an interest payment, so it's going to be interest expense and cash going out the door. It's payment of semi-annual interest. All right, and it's going to be the $100,000 bond times the interest rate of 7.5% times 6 over 12, because it's a half of a year. Okay, and then the final one, part C, payment of the bond at maturity. It's a 10-year bond. So 2018, 2019, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27 would be the end of the 10th year. So 12/31/2027. And we've already paid all the interest and everything. So now all that's happening is we're paying them back the $100,000 that they lent us. And that's it.